Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm looking at the account of one of our FTP traders, Mohammed. Mohammed has been with us from the 4th of February 2021 up until the current date of review, 18th of March 2021. So Mohammed has been with us just over a calendar month, and Mohammed has hit his 10% within that time. Mohammed has actually done something significant. He's maintained a daily rate of 0.26%, a monthly rate of 8.38%, and if you look at the drawdown, just 7.90%. So looking at the drawdown, he's just been drawn out minus 1.8% and minus 1.81%. That's still within the 10% allowable limit. So that's very good, Mohammed, in terms of discipline and preserving the balance. Looking at Mohammed's advanced statistics, Mohammed has done this in just 11 trades only. He's been with us just for over a month and a half and hit his 10% with a total of 11 trades. As of late, I've seen quite a few of our traders. If you check my previous YouTube video reviews, they've hit the 10% with a minimum of 9 to 14 trades on average. This is another person who's done significantly well. And if we look at the profitability factor now, out of the 11 trades taken, he's been successful 73% of the time, and he's lost only three, which gives him a 20%, 7% loss rate with an absolute gain of 73%. So he's 73% effective in his trading. So no one really has 100%, but 73% is very high for the period of time as well. And now the curiosity part is what pairs did he trade or what pair did he trade? The best trade to date was on the 26th of Feb for 638.77. The worst trade was on the 17th of March for $103.10. Very good. So now we're looking at the summary. Wow, I'm very impressed because Mohammed has just focused on four pound pairs: pound AUD, pound CAD, pound Swiss franc, pound New Zealand dollar. Mohammed's biggest strength in terms of the pair being traded, Mohammed is more consistent with the pound New Zealand dollar, where he's made a total of 1,382.50 on the long, and he's made quite a significant loss on the short, which is for 178.43, which is not really significant. It's still a little a certain amount, but overall, he's made a total of 1,204.07, which is more than 90% of what he needs to get to his target level. And as you can see, he's made the other part on the pound AUD. But prior to this, Mohammed has taken a few more trades, as you can see at present. So this is reflecting currently in the P&L. So, but what we can see, Mohammed has done significantly well by starting with 3.9669%, moving up onto 8.22%. So Mohammed has done very well. And if we look at his history or in terms of trades taken with lot sizes, Mohammed has done what every other trader does who's broken the record. He's gone with a full lot size, zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5. And look at the significant gains. Pound NZD, zero point 0.5, he held that for 20 days, down by 85.79. Pound NZD again, held that for 2 days, he made 638.77. The other one for 16 hours, a day, 7.5 hours, 23 minutes. So on average, Mohammed holds his trades anything from 20, let's just say on average half an hour to a whole day. But this trade is taken for 20 days. It kind of like doesn't really sit well with me because you went for the full lot. So I can only think and imagine this trade was probably at a significant deficit at a certain point in time, or the trade was at significantly a high profit level, but you refused to secure the profit. So I don't know the situation, but all I can say and recommend is Never hold a trade for more than 3 days if possible. Anything over 3 days not going in your direction, cut your losses short and put a stop loss in place. That's very important, and I say this to all the traders. But besides this, this is a very good account and a very good attempt at getting onto level 2, which is 30,000. And I wish you all the best, Mohammed, going on to the next level, which is 60,000. So looking at your profit as well, you can see your profits were down by 8 minus 85.79, 552.98, 1,000, 1,003, 1,478, 1,502, you're 10%, and here you are at now 223. So, Mohammed, I don't know what else to say, but apart from you're very disciplined, very consistent, and you've done it in just 11 trades. So, you clearly know what you're doing. You got a trading plan, and you definitely have experience trading the financial markets. And I'll say you're very risk adverse as well by taking the maximum lot size. So, definitely, I see an experienced trader here. I can't really say much apart from preserving your balance and doing what you do because you're trading very high volatile liquid pairs. So, people, please be inspired by this trader because this is really good. And I will definitely be giving more tips and talking about this more at a later stage. But you can head over to our Audacity community app and connect with me in person, see a lot of educational content, and connect with other traders as well. If you go to the Audacity website, you will see a link to the Audacity community page, which is available on Android and the Google Play Store, the Google Play Store, and the Apple App Store. So, Mohammed, I wish you all the best and congratulations on achieving your 10%.